I'm in Trastevere and I've just grabbed some street food. The most essentially Roman street food of them all. I'm having some Suppli, which is probably the most popular Roman snack item, or one of. Suppli is nothing more than deep-fried rice balls with some mozzarella inside. But these guys took it to another level. Suppli, in my opinion, is surely one of the best Suppli joints in town, if not the best one. A word of advice, even though they sell other things here, and nothing's wrong with them, Romans typically come here for Suppli. Other things you can have elsewhere. Normally, you'd grab just one of these things just so that you don't starve before lunch. But I got 3 different ones, just to show you different flavors you may want to try.
Cacio, Pepe e Coda.
So, street food means that we eat in the street. Let's see, where do we start? This one, Cacio e Pepe, pecorino cheese, black pepper, and I think a touch of lemon. Delightful. Classic. The classic one is made of rice cooked in a ragu sauce, dipped in egg and breadcrumbs, and deep fried. As I said, they also put a bit of mozzarella inside, hence their historic name, Suppli al telefono, reminiscent of the days when telephones actually had phone cords. Suppli number 3. Coda, alla Vaccinara. I'm really excited about this one. So, Suppli is normally something Romans would grab on the go, but it's also served in restaurants as an appetizer. I'd say for best experience, go for other things as appetizers in restaurants, and stick to Suppli where they make the best ones.